banded rows in Excel using few quick easy steps. So this is the data we have. I need to represent this data with a banded rows. I do the selection of the data, go to conditional formatting. Under conditional formatting we'll be applying a new rule. Go to new rule. To apply the rule via formula, you have to use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now here we will type the formula. The formula is equals to mod bracket begins row bracket comma 2 close the main bracket. Now the row function returns the row number of the current row you are in. If that divided by 2, if the modulus of that is 0, it means it's an even row. For that I will apply the formatting. Under fill, select the light blue color, OK, and OK. It's done. Now just to have a look at the row function, say equals to row, give the bracket. Now this is showing me 2 because I am in the second row number, and if you expand this formula you will get the corresponding row numbers. Similar to the row, there is a function available, column. So if you take column, this is giving me column K as 11 because it's a kth column, and if you expand the formula it will give you the corresponding column numbers. So in case you want banded columns, in place of row use the function column. Hope you learned good. Have a happy learning.